Hi guys, today we're going to be making gigantic tiger feet using a box. Today you're going to need 2 boxes, some craft stuff and 1 pair of boots. Draw around your beaker and then that's where your foot is going to go. Turn the box over and draw around your welly. Now ask a adult to cut both sides out. Now you've got to put your boot inside the box and it will look like this. Now that bit's all done, let's decorate them. Now the fun part, to paint them yellow and black like tiger feet. Now guys, we have to paint it yellow. Now put them in the air, let's let them dry. Now we've got to cut the claws. Now you've cut the claws, you need to stick them on the box. Now the claws are on, we've got to paint the tiger stripes with some black. Alright guys, now we need to just let them dry and then we can test them out. See you on the next video, guys.